So as far as the sanding station goes, this is what it should look like. So we have our sanding sponges, everything is put back in there. We just finished a cabinet job. This is what it should look like after a cabinet job is finished. This table should be set up here. We have that other table set up over there. All of our picks are put back in there. We have a rag box, all the rags are put back in there. We have an empty bucket. It's important to keep that empty and cleaned out for the next crew. That's for caulking or for deglossing. We have another bucket over here also for caulking or deglossing. And then we have our caulking tubes along with a gun. Any of our door repair supplies in there, and any of our wood or dent fillers right there. And then we place the vacuum underneath there. We do have the Y joint set up on there, and this vacuum always stays here in the shop. And then on that vacuum we have a brush attachment, and then we also have a surf prep sitting in there. And this is okay for these two to sit in here. So we'll just go ahead and roll that out as soon as we're gonna start sanding, which we have a cabinet job going on this week, so that's gonna be used shortly. But just make sure that the top here is cleaned off. There's no cups, no food, nothing like that stored on the sanding rack. Everything's cleaned up and thrown away after each job.